It is.
Why are you
Lean forward a little bit. Cause you're being fussy.
I'm not being fussy.
You're
I'm asking you questions and you're not answering me, love.
That's it.
I said, do I
Come
go
on,
straight?
let it out. Let it out.
Bro, what the fuck?
Cause you're being fussy.
I'm not being fussy. I asked
got
you a
you.
question.
You're being fussy.
No, I'm
Yeah, there you go. There you go. All that irritation coming out. Can you feel the irritation leaving? Huh? Can you feel it? Can you feel it going away? Can you?
Stop.
Can you feel all that irritation coming out?
Thanks, bro. Stop.
Hey, that was